Me address something quick and fast, cause I beg me really and truly come over here for begging but me see something I go on. So me address it. Cause remember some me don't name address it Jessie Lily already. Remember me name address it Lily already. So you have to expect this from me. Yeah, so just go and tap and shake one time me attack and me done. Alright. So as me say, me just attack one time and done. First of all, you see that video there when me, you see video when me post? The video when me and him kiss? That video wasn't for shade him or him people them. You get what me I say? That video there I never for show us nothing because real and truly we never act like we are idiot. Who know? Some people know we just don't come talk about nothing. Pan the media as what him say. Me now come pan media come own up. No boy. None. None at all. The only reason why me show that video there in the first place is because I stigma with Jayden one left for me. First of all, I probably about a month now. Months. Jayden has shade me, brother. What day me dey on my vacation. Me dey on my vacation with my friend them. Me, Nana, Guap, and Kerry. Me dey on my vacation. Me dey there, me enjoy myself. Me dey on yacht. Me just dey there, I do me thing. This nigga come and not my life, you know. Him go over Guap live. I tell and the live boy, oh, Donia use and left. Me a Donia use and left and nobody no want kiss me and all of them something there. Him just a rinse it and a rinse it. Remember me and Jayden have no beef, you know? And like me and Jayden did have beef before and me and him in a this beef where him a fear follow me up and I try I do that and I sell that story upon my name. You see me a long time him a do it, bro. Long time. You see me? Cool. But when you know, when him don't know go come out and be like me not even want to like on him. I just play the screen recording and just answer to it. Me no want to like on him. He must say who no used to nothing just because I show the kiss video and oh me figure heal and all of this. Bro, me stop talk to Donia. Me stop talk to Donia 1 month after him gone foreign. A long time me and him not talk. None at all. We not talk none at all. The most me and him ever talk are when we're probably there live. Pan live stream or play match or something. 1 month after him left, me don't talk to him. Listen, you see that person with girl, I know you the man attack, relax. Mute them. Just you relax and listen. You relax and just listen to what me I say. Nobody not stupid. If you don't know nothing, you just come out for the FYP, you're not there from morning, just relax. Cool. Me stop talk to him 1 month after him got foreign. Cool? So, when him a say, people feel heal and all of that, and mind you, when you say open at them feelings, me can't open at my feelings. Anybody open at them feelings, are definitely not me. Because me and uno know say, if me go as much as to talk to somebody or a flirt with somebody on the app, it show all over him face. Who me could know say me go rebel party with a man, I him bring it up. If any little thing me do, I him bring it up. When Icky did up on my neck, him do over him live act like him want dead. Me and him not there, none of them time there. None of them time there. None. Even the Eddie situation, me and him not there. None of them time there. So, me want to open at them feelings. And why me go open at my feelings about something? But you and your people them when a long time me not talk to months now. Months. Look how long Donia they are foreign. I mean, Mixup talk to him 1 month after him gone a foreign. Then you go talk about, well, but who and who make you happy and this green up on other side when are you that I call my phone before your birthday, the day before your birthday, I tell me, oh, you're sad. Before your birthday, I tell me, see, they are town and I send my location. Anyway, moving on. Can't hurt out, me cannot hurt, bro. Me can't hurt over a situation no me been no. Uno late to whatever we are going right now. Maybe no. Certain things we uno does hear it late. This have nothing to do with you and your people them. You're quick for answer me, but you're quick for answer something when I have nothing at all to do with it. Because at Jayden, me just did that try shut down Jayden now and everybody's allegation will make it seems as if y'all try downplay me. And you know what the fucked up thing why me come defend myself? Because, bro, me dead ass see him and Jayden pan life together and Jayden a diss me and him laugh it off like I know nothing. Y'all make it look like say, yeah, you scan me for true when people are pre-ups. I say, yeah, you scan Khandy. I mean, I make no pussy. I make nobody pan this come style me, bro. When me and you know everything. I'm not even gonna go down in a way we actually know. I'm not even gonna go down in that me allow that, right? That's how which part it there. But don't come go on like say you want to come down play me, bro. Like me a eat that, like say, me a crash dummy or it me showing the video and I have nothing at all to do with you. Chat me I don't know and I have nothing at all to do with him. I'm in a vex about me chat. I swear upon me life. I don't business in enough for my relation with him. I want to have with nobody at all. As me say, a months. Me stop talk to him months. But 7 to 8 months now, me stop talk to him. Me and him no text, me and him no call, nothing, none at all. So why all of a sudden know me that up in my feelings? You know, if video not have nothing to do with you. Yes, are you in the video, but remember say me and in nothing. So me can't show the video and what about the video? What about the video? Yeah, don't hear me attack. Who late? I don't hear me attack. No, stop play me, bro. And if me alone have to come defend myself pan ya, that me I go do. Because you make people play in my face and one thing with me, nobody can play in your face when me did it. Nobody. Me I go defend you to it grung where you walk pan. To it grung. Me. Where you see us so. But you know what? You know what the fucked up thing? True, me always I keep silent. Me always look like say I'm me the idiot one. True, me ever keep silent, bro. Me tired of Jayden know I do this. He might try paint and I try leave a stigma the palm my brother like me name shit. Like say me a biggest mock. Basically them say any girl will suck with a mock. Well, yeah, me a mock, but me a no mock for everybody. Y'all try make it look like say me are the worst. I mean I gotta defend myself because me are not the worst. Me been a go through this for too long now and me just a laugh it off. And me, you know, me just a play it off. And when the people them come to him now and them I say, me not say him have to come. Me not say him have to come say, oh, no Khandy this. Me not say that. But if we don't remember, so we been a paint a picture upon the media say, yo, we are friend. You see me? So why, you know, defend me in a one way we say, as a friend. Defend me as a friend now because me see people pay come defend me when me not even know. But instead, yeah, them so them I say and it's like you me not really say feeding to it, but you don't correct it. You not say nothing about it. And yes you know, oh, you go say You go say everything you go answer to and this and that, but you're in a be a mix up. You're in a everybody mix up right now. And all you want answer me, but when World Dog did come for you and your people them, and I disrespect you and your people them and your relationship, you ball cree. But I can't you want come for some. I go show no say me and somebody for play with. My cup full. And I one thing with me, brother, me I want sucker for loyalship, for loyalty and privacy and all of them something there. But you not playing on my face too much. Dead ass. Like, you not playing on my face. You not play right in my face for months. I'm not say nothing. Me know when me show the video people, I gonna make it seem as if me a crash out over. Listen, me as Mr. Chat, he not have nothing at all for doing me a months now. Me left Donia which part him there. A months now, me not talk to him. Months. Any little thing me do, any little thing me do, from the icky to the series that I did have with such man, me not even remember what his name, the bald one, Eddie, to go up, and even to go up to the tall youth when me send go call upon the live, the tall youth with the beard, to go up. You crash out over the whole of them there, and me I never have nothing, me I never in a nothing. So what you mean? Me happy for you. But I mean, of course, if you enjoy your birthday, of course, if you enjoy your birthday, nothing wrong with that. You're a big man, you're in your 30s, you're supposed to enjoy your birthday. Me that not have nothing to do with me. And the best birthday I ever have, yes, because me now go take up trust the money and give you and buy a Rolex, give you, father. The fuck? Them time down me and your friend and me did have the money. Me go so boom and me buy you one, me buy you a Gucci watch, bust you down. You see me? You buy me back a bracelet. Yeah, and I say go me now go take up my trust of the money and do the most with it. But level that. Don't act like you want to complain on my face. Don't do that. Don't you ever do that. How the fuck me? Me for her time, me not happy for you and what? It green up on the other side, but yeah, call me and tell me say you're sad. You're sad and what? I'm not even gonna talk the conversation because we now go this so. Your dad asked nearly cry on the phone like this at one day before your birthday. I remember you fly out on your birthday. You send me a whole fucking location for come to Kingston before your birthday, before you fly out to whosoever you fly out to. So don't make you go there, so. The fuck? What you mean? Yeah, play up in my face. Yeah, play Dolly House up in my face. Like, don't do that. I never you me combo out. Never combo. You are dirty Jayden me combo. A Jayden me combo. Me never combo you. What is a kiss? So I me show the kiss. Me not, I don't like say me have no secret today. I me have no half video with you. I do half shit. So you still a try don't play me now. Cause, oh, nobody can kiss Khandy. What wrong with Khandy? Khandy mouth good, Khandy all tight, Khandy no fuck a bag of man, and what? You have nothing, never have nothing at all to do with you. So if you feel a way about that, me not sorry and me not give a fuck. Cause not play with me too much. Me silent for too long, bro. I one thing with me brothers, me tell you no, me down for the loyalty and them thing about. Me can't give loyalty to una, me can't lie to una loyal to me. And loyalty have nothing to do with relationship. Like if you fuck somebody. Loyalty come in a many different ways, bro. If me have my girlfriend and me have my true friend, we're supposed to loyal to each other. Me can't push out loyalty and me not get it back. And enough people gonna be like, oh, she should have come to that and rare. But me not get it. You not play up in my face. The fuck? As me say, me just go rest it this, cause whole heap of things dead for talk, cause I not just know. Move go away. You know, come move me, man. And me, you have strength for me. But when world dog them, at this year, and at this year people, them will support you every day. At this year people, you claim for say, support you to the ground. You know what me out. You go over there, go ball cree. And that me see you do. So when I'm comments that about move, and me you want answer to. Just because you feel like say, Khandy is this. Oh, Khandy I eat that. Khandy soft. Come here. Say it already. So I'm too soft. I'm too this. I'm too that. No, me soft for people who me respect and me rate. But una. Y'all let out the fucking beast. Yeah. Don't fuck with me. I play the lip and I'm over face. My face are crazy. The video was not about you. Like, why me alright. Think about this, Donia. Why me that just randomly get up and show video? Guys, look. Me and Donia kiss and this for a long time. I know for me, I have to go for that video the chat. We are down in a one snap, run a one part in a Snapchat. Because the people them I say what them I say. Jayden I say what I say. Right in front of you. And you feed into it. I make it look like say, yeah. Mascana for true. Now I'm not for do with you. Nothing. So me don't know you come live at talk about who hurt and who frightened over kiss. Brother, 7 years me in our relationship. Been through kisses, fuckings, suckings. Been through that. Frightened over kiss to the one. You never have nothing to do with you. Somebody say me close all him. Me can't bother. All me know me go rest it and me go rest it with one light heart. Light heart. Because you know what? The first, anybody across me, the first thing them say, them come with, Donia name the sandwich and Donia me back. Donia scan me. Donia never kiss me yet. And in which, what me did I say first? If me and him never come pa me that come confirm no relationship. Cause me never come tell him say me and Donia there. Him never come tell him say me and him there. So why would a company me that come kiss in the first place? But una play in my face now. So everything done there come me don't know where you go live a talk about and a talk say. I make it look like say me feel a way over your relationship where you have with people like at the first relationship when me know about. Like at the first relationship, me have an encounter with your inner. When me been left, me been stop talk to you for months. Months. The fuck? Don't do that, bro. Don't do that like you try call, I'm telling me that say. No, do that. Don't do that, bro. Me would do. If anything, me would happy say you're happy. But don't make it look like say me a crash out over you. That was never the case. That was never the case. Me tell you, never. Brother, if me did a crash out over that, me that come from probably 2 weeks ago. Like we been know, una just late. Like una just know everything late. We been know. Sure. Can crash out over people me and them no day. That would be mad crazy, bro. Me tell you this. Me, it will me say any una try sidestep me. Cause me, Nah, me, no more body this, my brother. No more. Me been a go through it too long and me a keep me cool. That's why people look for me say, you know. That's why me can't really blame them. I choose certain things happen and people are talk about it and me nah come clear up nothing. I mean nah say nothing. So I always look fuck up on my end. Me always get the shit in a stick and it always look bad on my. Me nah ball. Girl a wicked girl era me nah. Cry for who? Cry when? No, me I dry your fuck. Right now is a matty me I go light up. Crazy. Me always get the shit in a stick and me I decide to oh yo me no business not loyalty. Me say straight through. Me not give no loyalty to no pussy hole no loyalty me no come suck me 2026. Never did I go do that. Oh. You're crazy. If me did I crash out over that the relationship the way you claim to say you have, I claim to say me I crash out over. Me that crash out chat. Me that crash out from before the hurricane. That's how long it was. Like we been know. Uno just late. Uno just find out yesterday. We been know cause me know everything and it's a thing where certain things him tell me. When we did close everything him tell me. Maybe no. The fuck you mean? The fuck you mean Earth? Earth? Don't do that, bro. Don't. That hurt me. That hurt me. No. Never you do that. Never you do that.
Yeah, straighty. Them people say them nothing fucking play with me.
Video literally not have no. Me want know how. Well, me not gonna say me want know how you're reaching it still because it's a video of you and me. But sometimes you have to know where to come after. But no, you're quick. You're quick to fling me under the bus. Second time, now you fling me under the bus. You know why you so quick to fling me under the bus? Why? You're too quick to fling me under the bus. Every time. You're too quick to fling me under the bus. That's crazy. It wasn't about you. Never about you. Never.
Yeah, straighty. Them people say them nothing
Never.
fucking play with me. Alkaline me name some pussy wolf. You know say me not take chat. No tell me about when you want to do when
Never.
you know you can't defend that.
Let me tell you. Me tell you, it's a thing where me realize say him never yet dead for defend me when nobody at all a come about me. But through me I make say, oh, don't do drama, don't do the mix up. You know? Don't really do certain things. So me did I make excuse for it and I say, yo, Ray, me will defend him. No matter what other side people. But you know how much enemy me create cause of that? You know how much girl they like me and hate me because of that. Like them I say, no man, the girl are idiot. Google bat girl is. The girl are Google bat. Look how much things happen and the man never yet come and say her, but you sit down and defend the man. And you know what? Me defend him because me genuinely rate him. Me defend him because I'm a friend. That's why me defend him. Me never defend him because I don't know relationship. I don't know nothing like that. You get me? But you play up in my face. You play up in my face. A dolly you say I play in my face. So you play in my face and my eyebrow them a get maga. And my eyelash them a drop out. To the man a play up in my face. The whole of half of you so gone. To the man a play up in my face and my nose a get big. To the man play up in my face and even him to Jayden, one of them, to them play up in my face, all my ear side drop out. Chat him take off this right now, the whole of my earline gone. To him and Jayden them play up in my face. You're crazy. I mean for those. Jayden, you're next one. You are next one. All me have to tell Bigo, she try to hide her jaws them. Hide them. Cause you want come, you want keep code pan me and keep code pan everybody else. Tell your woman for hide her panty them. Tell her to wear bare panty liner. Cause man like you know olive you know pum pum clean itself. Not even make him see that. As you take off your drawers and wash them. Girl, wash your drawers while it depend you. Sorry for you. Cause no one come about people on the life stink and dirty and want to do girl a bag of things and want call girl muck and want to do this and do that. Somehow no man uno more muck on the blood clot girl them. And mucking is not an action, mucking is a lifestyle. Una muckers. For real. Mucking is a fucking lifestyle. Mucking mean you're dirty. Very, very dirty. You will do anything. Anything for local clout. Anything for anything. That muckers mean and a woman alone a muckers. Get that straight. Cause I don't feel like, oh, she's so cocky, she a muckers. No. Mucking is not an action, it's a blood clot lifestyle. And feel life not cute. Cause amount of things you do. I will not even have to spell it out cause I already know it spell already. Just apart from me. Leave me alone. Me suck cocky, me no yam shit. Me tired to tell you now. And two of you love go and skin out, you could have suck cocky too. Two of you love tell man if he fuck you in a year this and fuck you in a year that, you could have suck it too. You get girl, how much pussy you claim for say you suck and you get girl for kiss you. Why man can't kiss me? I remember a cocky go in a pussy. So you lick it back too. A cocky go in a pussy and your name pussy. I remember a brush go in a your asshole. Someone know who are the real muckers. Go and go figure that out and link me back.